Alessia. Hey Roses, back to film an unboxing video. I got 2 albums off of Instagram, and they came today, so I thought I would show you guys. Before I get started, I again apologize for the laptop making noise. It's been doing that for as long as I can freaking remember, so apologies for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Full tab with this, or is it just... I'm just gonna use my scissors, that'll make it easier. I'm also expecting 2 more packages in the mail soon with albums that I purchased, so expect those fairly soon. There we go. Got it. And it was the one I'm thinking of. Okay, cool. This got to be like super quick. Jeez. Oh my gosh, the freakies. Okay. Okay, there we go. So, I will show you guys the CDs first. Let me get this out of the bag. There we go, jeez. So this is Idol's second mini album I made. Here's the cover. So I am super excited to have this because I am a big Idol stan. Not as much as some people here on YouTube, but I am an Idol stan. Neon, these photos are amazing. And this, for those that want to know, my bias is Sujin and my record is Shuhwa. Oh, and it comes with an Idol sticker too. That's cool. I know it doesn't come with a photo card because she said she couldn't do a photo card. And then the CD isn't there. So that's really cool. Put this back in here. John linked me something in Discord that I will check in a minute. And then the other one that I got from her, because it was 20 for both. Is GFriend's Parallel. Their 5th mini album. So this just slides up like this. CD's right here. Try not to blind you, and then the photo book is right here. So I believe this was the Love Whisper era, but I could be wrong. I'll just do like a quick thing to show you guys so you can see. My bias in this group is Shinbi. Soan being a close second. Yeah. So let me see. Isn't Love Whisper this on here? Yes, I was right. Okay. Into the CD. Just looks like this. And these little cards. Oh, you can change the cover. Okay, I get you. So, for the album cover, you can have the group shot, which is probably the one I'm going to leave in here. And then we got Soan, yet in, which she's actually gotten a lot better vocally, in my opinion. Yuna, Yuju, Shinbi, love her. I loved her in WoW thing too. And then Muji. I'm really excited about those. I would like to put them in my photo card binder, but I don't think I have pockets that will work for that. So until I have pockets that will work, I'm going to keep this in there for now. So yeah, I got both of these. And it was like $20 for both of them, which is not terrible. So I was super excited about these, but then the freebies that she sent. Wait, I think this is a note. She said, "Hi, thanks so much for buying from me and giving me the Chewy card. Hope the albums reached you safely and you like the freebies. Thanks again. P.S. Thanks for being so patient." Yeah. What she meant by that was she had been sick and it was hard for her to make it to the post office to send them off. And I kept checking in on her because I was like, "Are you gonna be okay? Is it something serious?" But it was just a cold, thankfully. And she had her mom send them off on the 3rd. It's the 5th when I'm filming this, but she sent it out on the 3rd. So, but yeah, there's this bag of freebies here. So let's see what else is here. First are these. Okay, so we got Red Velvet, Peekaboo, card. That's cool. Then we got Joy from Really Bad Boy. And then GFriend Sunrise. Which I really like this one. This one's really pretty. Okay. She also sent a bunch of stickers. These like Halloween smiley faces. I guess to go with the Really Bad Boy theme. Then there's some winter ones. Trying to make a fan shape out of it so you guys can see everything. There we go. Some like wintry ones. Some of these little like jeweled ones. Some cute little Shiba Inu stickers. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Look, these. You're so cute. Look at them. One that just says K-pop with a heart. And then she randomly sent me a Mikasa from Attack on Titan, which is cool. I like Mikasa a lot, so it's really cool. So, from me to you, I'm not gonna say her name because I doubt she wants her name on YouTube. Thank you for selling to me, and I understand the difficulties of trying to do something like sick, so it was no problem, waiting on you to send the albums out and everything. I'm just glad that you're starting to feel better. But when this video goes live, I will link it to you, just so you can kind of see everything. But to everybody that watches this, hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Another video, another time. Bye, roses.